You're a new officer, brand new. We're still hiring them. I thought they don't have the funding for them, but they keep hiring them.
Unfortunately, we can't go without them, so.
You guys used to have, I remember when you only had 5 police officers running a whole township. Now you've got over 30 plus all your command staff.
All this information on it, so I will be calling you because his middle name is a weird middle name.
With the information you gave me, I'll probably be able to.
Yeah, on Orchard Street or South Jackson. You know where that country place is? Right there on top. The Greenwood. What's that?
Across the street from the food pantry on South Jackson.
Yeah, and you'll see his car. But I'm telling you, I'm getting him.
It's a burgundy
Back. Johnson. Yeah. Yeah, the license plate is
And there goes the complainant. There's a complaint for a disturbance. And see if they left his CAD open. Nope, he closed his CAD. Here at the Auto Zone here in Jackson, Michigan. Got Blackman 14 on scene for a disturbance call for domestic situation. One party already left the scene, fled the scene. They've got information on who it is. I'm not sure if there was injuries or not, but they'll further investigate. I don't expect much to happen. Chalk this up as just another police report. Showed up after the fact. See if I can talk to him. How are we doing? Oh, you just filling out your report? How are we doing today? Just finishing up your report?
Yeah, just gotta take some notes real quick.
That's what I thought. It's a good spot for you guys like to sit back here.
Yeah.
So
A lot of people can sneak up on you.
what's your, you look like I haven't seen you on duty here before. What's your?
Well, I just got off a little bit of leave, just had my first kid, so.
Okay, you just shaved your beard. You had a full beard.
No, I just grew the mustache.
Okay. I thought maybe I saw you with a full beard off duty.
No.
Okay.
I don't think so, man.
Well, you mind if I get your name real quick, just to know who I'm talking to? My name's Justin.
Jason.
Jason?
Yes, sir.
Well, Officer
John?
John?
Jan.
Jan? Okay. Oh, you're pretty new here then at for Blackman. You're a new officer, brand new. We're still hiring them. I thought they don't have the funding for them, but they keep hiring them.
Unfortunately, we can't go without them, so.
You guys used to have, I remember when you only had 5 police officers running a whole township. Now you've got over 30 plus all your command staff. You guys are huge now.
Yeah, we're doing big department things.
Well, you guys now added Blackman and Leone. You were just Leone then. Blackman might have had more. They're a little, not much bigger. All right, well, I'll let you be on your way. I'll leave you be.
All right, sir.
You have a good night. Hey guys, make sure you like and subscribe. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now. We'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now, First Amendment Audits. We're out.